The Yamaha WR250F has dominated the trail for years, but the Stark Varg EX, an electric enduro with 80 horsepower and no clutch, is changing the game. With instant torque and cutting-edge technology, this street-legal powerhouse is making Yamaha fans take notice. Let's explore this unexpected showdown and see how Yamaha reacts to this electric challenger. The Stark Varg EX is propelled by an 80 horsepower electric permanent magnet AC motor, powered by a 7.2 kilowatt-hour honeycomb magnesium battery that doubles as a structural frame element. This design enhances off-road agility with a compact mass. The single-speed drivetrain delivers instant torque, while 5 customizable riding modes offer varied throttle responses for different terrain. The claimed range varies dramatically, from about 1.3 hours on full throttle to 7 hours in conservative modes, with a fast recharge time of 1 to 2 hours at 240 volts. In contrast, the Yamaha WR250F sports a tried-and-true 250cc liquid-cooled DOHC4 stroke engine with 4 titanium valves and a 13:8:1 compression ratio. Fuel injection via a 44mm Mikuni system ensures crisp throttle response. The WR250F's 6-speed transmission and wet clutch allow precise power modulation, favoured by riders who like mechanical feedback and control. With around 40 horsepower peak power and a strong mid-range punch, the WR250F excels in traditional motocross and trail riding contexts, delivering a familiar engine character that is lighter and easier to maintain compared to larger engines. While Yamaha's 250cc 4-stroke engine is reliable and responsive, the Stark Varg EX's electric powertrain offers a massive power advantage, instantaneous torque, and customizable delivery modes. For riders prioritizing outright power and versatility in throttle control, the Varg EX takes this category decisively. Weighing in at approximately 264 pounds, the Varg EX is remarkably light for an electric enduro, thanks largely to its honeycomb magnesium battery pack serving as part of the frame. The high-strength steel frame combined with a carbon fiber subframe further optimizes stiffness and weight distribution. This compact, centralized design aims to offset the inherent heaviness of battery electric motorcycles, providing better maneuverability and balance crucial for technical terrain. The aluminum 70/75 T6 fat bar handlebars and integrated handguards emphasize durability and rider control. The WR250F's wet weight is about 249 pounds, making it lighter than the Varg EX by roughly 15 pounds. Its chassis is a well-engineered blend of lightweight materials and proven geometry, featuring a 57.9-inch wheelbase, 27-degree rake, and 4.8-inch trail for stable but agile handling. The fuel tank capacity is 2.0 gallons, which contributes to weight but extends range significantly. Yamaha's design priorities focus on nimbleness and rider feedback, important for motocross and enduro riders requiring quick directional changes and responsive handling. Despite the Varg EX's advanced materials and integration, the WR250F's lighter weight and compact dimensions give it the edge in overall chassis agility and maneuverability, especially important in tight trails and technical off-road sections. The Varg EX features fully adjustable KYB suspension front and rear, each providing 11.8 inches of travel. However, its suspension components have been adapted from motocross designs with stroke and length reductions to better suit enduro applications, focusing on the balance between aggressive riding and comfort on long rides. The bike's setup favors absorbing rough terrain while maintaining stability at speed. The relatively long travel and robust KYB components promise compliance over rocks, roots, and whoops. Meanwhile, Yamaha equips the WR250F with a fully adjustable KYB spring type fork up front with speed-sensitive damping, offering 11.8 inches of travel, and a KYB rear shock with 12 inches of travel. This suspension setup is fine-tuned for aggressive off-road use, balancing damping and spring rates to handle everything from jumps to technical climbs. The WR250F's suspension, with its extra travel and speed-sensitive damping, edges out the Varg EX. While the electric bike's setup is impressive, Yamaha's decades of suspension refinement make the WR250F a more confidence-inspiring machine in demanding off-road environments. The Varg EX uses Brembo hydraulic discs sized at 260mm front and 220mm rear. Brembo's reputation for performance and modulation is well established, and the Varg's brakes offer powerful, consistent stopping with excellent feedback, essential for a bike with such high torque. The WR250F comes equipped with hydraulic disc brakes of 270mm front and 240mm rear diameter. While not Brembo, these brakes are well regarded for their stopping power and modulation in the trail and motocross community. The slightly smaller rotors on the Varg EX are compensated by the electric motor's ability to assist in slowing down via regenerative braking, giving the Varg EX a marginal braking advantage. The Varg EX stands out with its military-grade Stark Arkenstone Android dash system, offering navigation with turn-by-turn GPS, trail recording, and community sharing, and on-the-fly tuning of power, regeneration, and engine braking curves. Integrated over molded silicon indicators and a 4,000 lumen headlamp improve visibility and safety. Additional features include walk mode, reverse gear, and 5 adjustable riding modes, making the bike highly versatile and adaptable to rider preference and terrain conditions. The WR250F is comparatively basic electronically, relying mainly on fuel injection for throttle control and traditional analog notch or digital gauges. It lacks the high-tech riding modes or integrated navigation systems of the Varg EX. However, its simplicity appeals to purists who prefer mechanical control without distractions. The Varg EX's advanced electronics package gives it a clear advantage in versatility, rider information, and safety. Features like GPS trail sharing and customizable power delivery are unmatched by the WR250F. Thank you for tuning in. While the Yamaha WR250F remains a benchmark for reliability handling and affordability in off-road riding, the Stark Varg EX emerges as the ultimate winner for its game-changing electric performance, unmatched customization, cutting-edge tech, and future-ready design. With double the power, instant torque, advanced electronics, and street-legal versatility, the Varg EX doesn't just challenge the norm, it redefines what an enduro bike can be. Do you think the same? Drop your thoughts in the comments.